Hey guys, today we're looking at 4 beard oils I got from Jack's Soap Company. Yes, you heard that correct. One of Candace and I's favorite soap companies makes beard oils. The question is it a solid product I can put my stamp of approval on? Now, I'll touch on the scents briefly, but I really want to focus on what's inside these bottles because that's what's really doing the work. Okay, guys, let's talk about the crowd favorite, the scent profiles. The first one we have, again, is Sweet Stogie. Probably my favorite out of the 4. I love these new 1-ounce square bottles. Yeah. Okay, this one's warm. It's cigar inspired, obviously. It's smooth and refined. Absolutely love it. You get that sweetness in there. Really, really good one. All right, this one is Wicked Amber. All right, nice bright colors. All right, you get sweet, you get orange, patchouli, cedarwood. It's bold, but very balanced. I really, really like that one. This one cracks me up. Toxic Masculinity. All right, this one, all right, green bottle says it all. Fresh pine, outdoorsy, very clean. Really, really enjoy this one. Kind of a nighttime scent for me. And the last one is Throat Punch. There you go, guys, Throat Punch. This one, yeah, another nighttime scent for me. Eucalyptus spearmint. It's crisp, it's cooling, it's refreshing. Now, all of these are solid. They're wearable scents, but let's get into what really matters most, the star of the show, the ingredients. Okay, guys, you got the ingredients on the back of the bottle here, and every one of these oils is built on the same premium carrier blend, and that's where the consistency really shines for me. You've got apricot kernel oil, which is lightweight, great for softening without heaviness. Grapeseed oil, fast absorbing, helps keep things feeling clean and fresh. Sweet almond oil, it adds moisture and improves manageability. Jojoba oil, which seems to be the closest to your skin's natural oils. It's great for overall balance. Then you got argan oil, known for conditioning, strengthening, and heat protection. Abyssinian oil, it adds smoothness and shine without that greasiness. Hemp seed oil helps support skin health and reduces irritation. Coconut oil helps lock in that moisture. Rosemary leaf extract, it's an antioxidant and support for both skin and beard. Then you got your fragrance oil and essential oils. What tells me is this isn't just a gimmick oil from a soap company. This is a well-rounded, well-balanced blend designed to hit both beard softness and skin health underneath. I really appreciate that. Okay, guys, let's talk about performance and feeling beard. The medium viscosity oil, very fast absorption. It's not greasy. It leaves your beard feeling soft, controlled, and conditioned, just like a premium oil should. It helps reduce that dryness and irritation underneath your beard. It's that kind of beard oil that you can wear daily without thinking twice about it. It's not too heavy and it's not too light. It's right there in that sweet spot. So what are my thoughts on a soap company making beard oil? Well, what I like about Jack's and what I respect about Jack's Soap Company is the lineup and its consistency. It's the same strong carrier blend across all 4 oils. So you're not so much choosing based on performance, you're choosing based on a scent profile. And when a company gets a foundation like that right, that's a win in my book. Let me know down in the comments below. Have you tried Jack's Soap Company? Jump on over there and check them out. They sell a lot more than just soap and beard oil, body washes, all natural deodorants, and much, much more. I think you'll be pleasantly surprised. And let me know in the comments if you have tried them, you're going to try them, or you try them later on in the future. Let me know what you think about their products. Leave your comments. Remember to like and subscribe. Until next time, my name is Tom. Take care.